Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a header in Car.co. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Car.co. Then once you go to their website, we need to log in. So after that, we're going to click on the project we need to work on. Then here, we're going to add a header, so we're going to click on the plus button. Then again, we're going to click on control. Then under the section break, you're going to click on it and select header marker. Then you guys could select the margin and click on done. So as you can see, you guys could move the header end. So since we want it in the header space, we're going to put it to the top. Then you guys are going to add different things. We're going to add a container. We're going to click on the plus button and click on container. Click on default and click on columns. So you guys could click on add and make it different columns. Then you guys could click on done. So you guys can move that container to the header. So as you can see, it's in the header space. You guys could also add different things to it. So this is how you create a header. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.